This is my 2011 Kia Forte SX hatchback, and today I need to change the repeater light on the driver's side mirror. It no longer works. So this video will show you how to, one, remove the glass part of the mirror on this side, because you need to access it to get the cap off, how to replace the cap, the colored cap, and to replace the bulb itself. So let's get started. Now the first thing you want to do is remove the glass from the mirror. And basically what you can just do is push the glass all the way to one side. Alright, and you're going to take a tool similar to this, and you're going to slide it in between the glass and the mount that's behind it. Alright, there we go. And you can see here, there's these clips all around the outside ring, and they attach to the outside of this circle inside here. Next, you're going to disconnect the wires to the heated mirror. There's just two of them here. The green is on the inside in this case. Black is to the outside. There we go. And we'll just take this and put it away somewhere safe. Next, we need to remove the colored covers on the mirrors. Now, this car is originally titanium gray. I'd replaced the original mirrors covers with these black ones because I just like the appearance of black. So here's the original cover in titanium, and you'll see there are clips, 1, 2, 3, 4 big ones, this small one, and then this real little one right here. So if I take the camera and I move it to this side, here you can see this clip here is this one, and then there's clips here and here are these two. This one is a blind one. It's back in here behind the mechanism for the rotation, and then these two little clips are under here, which you also cannot get to. So you need to be careful. So what I did is push these three out and slowly pry from behind. There we go. And it's off. Alright, there's the cap off. Again, the clips. Make sure you're careful with these. They will break. I believe I broke this clip here and this clip here the first time I took these off. Do it on a warm day when the plastic's a little more pliable. This is the tool I use to pry it off with, but you should use, some sort of plastic, not a screwdriver that'll damage the surrounding plastic. And then here's the actual part that I'm replacing. It is the numbers 87614-1M005. This is the driver's side or left side flasher. The passenger side would be 87624-1M005. So just the one changes to a 2 for the passenger side. So here's the part itself. You'll see it's held on with one screw here, a clip at this end, and then this is the connector here. And it comes with a nice new gasket, which is nice as well. I don't know if that's focused on it or not, but anyway, gasket around the light, keep dirt out. Now the screw that you want to remove is this one right here. Okay, and if I come around on this side, tilt the cameras up a little bit, this comes out like so, and you have a single connector right here that unplugs. Plug the connector in, slide the wires back inside the housing, and it'll go underneath. There's a clip on this side that goes underneath, and there's a clip on this side that you want to push in to get underneath the edge of the mirror, and that holds it pretty much in place until you put the screw in. There we go. And let me test to make sure the light works. Beautiful. Okay, next we're going to want to put the cover on. Again, clips here, 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 small one, and there's also little tabs right here that you want to be careful that you get underneath, because if you don't get them underneath and this clip goes in, these will break off as you try to squeeze them on. So kind of slide it underneath. There. Just check all the way around, make sure all the clips are in. There's 3 I can see, are in nice and tight. Looks good. Last but not least, we're going to put the mirror back on, and hopefully you can see these clips here, to here, to here, to here. And what you're trying to do when you go to take it off, you're trying to get a screwdriver in between these clips here and this plate. And when you slide it through, it just pops right off. So when you put it back on, you're just basically going around the outside of these and pushing this back in. But don't forget, hook up your heated mirror. The green wire was to the inside, the black wire to the outside. Hook those back up. There you can see I'll hook back up. And if I do this right, should clip back on. And we're done.